Hello viewers and welcome back to Martin Private Studio. Today I'm coming to you with 3 reasons why Cubase Elements 11 is a great DAW digital audio workspace for any one person studio. Let's get started. Alright, kicking it off with reason number 1. Do you see this price? But do you actually see it? So if you don't know, Cubase is what I like to call an all-in-one DAW, digital audio workspace. That means it handles live sound, making beats, scoring, mixing, and mastering. It truly is a jack of all trades. And the best part about that is you get to choose what you want to master of all of those trades. P.S. They also will tell you that there's a huge difference between Cubase, Cubase Artist, and Cubase Elements. I'm gonna be real with you, it's mostly convenience after Elements in my opinion, but that is my strong opinion. Now, I was fortunate enough to upgrade from Cubase 8 to 11 for $25 because I got it on sale, and I was greeted to something amazing on Cubase Elements 11. So you're gonna add yourself an instrument track. I chose an outline guitar. And now this chord track is the one ad that will shave the beat making process down by more than half the time. This ad allows you to create basic foundations for the beat and go right into soft mix to recording a reference track. Truly my favorite addition. So on the chord track, you simply add the chords. I only added up to the 4th measure. Simply play the chords you want to hear, or you can use the drop down menu and pick the chords that best fit your musical image. And once it's done, you get something like this. You slap a kick, a hi-hat, and a clap on that bad boy, then you can start soft mixing to get ready to record your reference track. And before you know it, you'll have a complete beat like this. And last but not least, reason number 3, everything is all on the screen and easy to find. You could literally switch between your mixing console, your chord pad, your editing without having to open a separate window. Almost as simple as using a smartphone, guys. Reason number 4. I know what you're thinking. The math ain't mathin' because I said 3. But seriously though, this is more like a bonus. Reason number 4, Steinberg Studios always has sales. I don't know what these other people's out here doing with their digital audio workspaces, but Steinberg, if you sign up for those email notifications, you will get informed of every sale between Halloween and 4th of July. So do that, because it's quite possible you could get this program for $49 like I did. So yeah. Alright, that about wraps up this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on social media to get the scoop on what we're up to. And remember, it takes time, effort, and patience to be great. Give this DAW a go, and I'll see you guys at the next video. Hey guys, want to be exclusive? Want more detailed content? Sign up for our Patreon. Bye.